Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode on Zealot S32. And to do this you need to power on your speaker. Now it should enter pairing mode automatically unless it's connected to any other device, then it will automatically connect to other device. And there's no manual pairing mode, so you need to manually go for your device and disconnect it. Now what you might need to do also is to double press on this button until you hear Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
And here in available devices we can find Zealot S32 and pair it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.